So now that I showed you how to control the width, how to control the reverb, and how to control different frequencies in your signal, I also showed you how to use parallel compression, how to set that up in the mixer. Now I'm gonna load up a demo project that I prepared for you, and you can see all of these techniques used in this demo project, and you can practice them and sort of go through this demo project and see what I did there along the way. So in this demo project, I used all of these techniques that I described to you earlier, and you can just go through and see how I set this up here. And I also set up these submix channels here so that you can hear, so that you have even more control over these different groups. And so we have a drums master. We have a vocal master. And then I also set up a stereo bus, which is just another copy of all of these channels. As you can see, the vocal master goes into the stereo bus, the drum master goes into the stereo bus, and then all of our other tracks like bass, strings, and synth also go into this stereo bus here. And the reason I added this additional bus is because you can add even more space to your track by creating this stereo channel before the master, and you can apply this delay trick that I showed you. You can add reverb to it. You can heavily compress it so it's has some parallel compression going on as well, and you can bring it up in the mix. To add even more clarity and even more width to your track. And one more thing that you will notice when you look through these is that on some of these, there is an additional fruity balance here at the very end. And this one is turned quite a bit down, for example. And the reason I inserted these is because if the fader is very low at the bottom, the control is quite rough. As you can see, when I move the control, it jumps between 10 and 20 dB value very quickly. So if you want to make more of the fine control, just reduce the gain of this whole entire channel and turn the fader up. That way you have more of a fine control.